Hello everyone, welcome to Computer Science and IT Gate Coaching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the instant notification of my free lecture. So this is about me. I am a computer science gate faculty having more than 5 plus of teaching experience, mentored more than 50,000 students, taught in different coaching institute all over India. Okay, it's like the Gate Academy, even qualified multiple times Gate, and even I have given the coaching in many government colleges as well as in many private colleges. Like in SRM Chennai, I have given coaching. CAT Bhubaneswar, I have given. BC Bhagalpur, Jorhat College of Engineering, Guwahati University, Dibrugarh University, Government College of Engineering and Technology, Jammu, Ramgarh Engineering College. Okay, these are the colleges where I have went and I have given the coaching. See, now we are going to see. Now we are going to see negation, that is called as one's complement. So you know that one's complement, it is unary. It is a unary operator. See, these sessions may be going long, but it is very useful for your placement gate and for all competitive exam where C is where from means where C is in the syllabus. So I know it sometimes it looks boring, but you are going to learn many new things in this class. Okay, so you can write the unary operators, negation yields yields the yields the one's complement yields the one's complement and yields and one complement. That is that is it convert it convert each one bit into a 0 bit and vice. Understood? So you know the ones complement. So if I give x equal to x and negation 077. Now see, this is a unary operator. Unary operator is having a higher precedence. First it will happen, then this will happen. Okay, this is having a higher precedence. First this operation will happen, then so first negation will happen. So it will be 111 and all bit will be 1 and last 7 bit is going to be last 6 bit is going to be 0. See? Okay, this is going to perform first because it's having a higher precedence. So it sets what it's doing, it sets the last 6 bits of x, last 6 bit of x2 is going to set last 6 bit of x2. Understood?